Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, the daily candle here, it's finished and it finished indicating something new, guys, giving us here a very clear pin bar. So what that indicating, guys, let me show you. As you see, guys, here, if you remember what me have been telling you about that level here, I told you that one is a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see it, we've been in it thousands of times here. Every time it used to react like a very stronger support, and here when FTX collapse, now either is going to react like a very stronger resistance, or we're going to break it and we're going to go back inside here. But that candle here, that pin bar here, it's telling us maybe is going to become like a very stronger resistance. Now what should we do? We need a confirmation indicating for us the market is going to reverse down. So we need to wait in tomorrow candle what is going to tell us if we are going to fall down or no. And also we put in all the scenarios, guys. Actually, in the last video, the video before in that one, I give you a signal to enter short in 30 minutes, and if you enter, well, you make nice profit in it. And here I told you we got here a up channel. As you see it, we touch the top of it here. Now maybe we're going to fall down. If it's breaking down here, we'll enter short, guys. If it's not, maybe just going to come here. Then after that, you're going to see it continue going upward, and that one is going to be the best scenario. Till now, nothing new, guys. Everything still the same. And here in the daily, what me I told you before, I told you got here that inside bar here, that one it need to be broken. By the way, that red candle and that green candle here of FTX when it's collapsed, I told you if it doesn't break up, there is no entry long, and if it doesn't break down, there is no entry short. And as you see it, guys, also we still going upward here in that level. So we need to wait in a little bit because also we're still far away from the trend, the downtrend to change to an uptrend. I'm talking here about long-term investing. For swing trading, yes, it can, because you can enter from here till here, and that's what us we done exactly. People they begin with us we enter from here from 15k, and we enter another order from that candle here. At that level, when it reach here, I told you guys, protect yourself, sell what the money you buy from here, and you buy from here. It said you buy from up here, from that zone here, $50, and from down here, $50. So that's $100. When it reach here, you need to sell what it equal $100, and you need to leave what it rests as a profit. If it's going to go higher, fair enough. If it fall down again, you're going to have free cash to buy more, guys. By the way, that money management strategy is very well explained in our crypto investing course. The course is in the first comment if you want it, and if you're using the couple link down, it will not cost you that much. By the way, you're going to get a 85% discount, and believe me, that course is better than million of courses they sell it to you by $1,000 and $2,000. But that's not our topic, guys. So I think picture is very clear here. By the way, you are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Because, guys, every day we put in for you 2 videos. Every day 2 videos. One after European market close and one after the daily candle close. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what Bitcoin doing right now. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's going to see the coming news for tomorrow, guys. So let's go in there. Here it is, the coming news for tomorrow, guys. As you see it, what we got a lot of news tomorrow. So tomorrow is a very busy day. We got for the EU a lot of news, England, interest rate, and a lot of news. But also we don't focus it about European and those things. We focus it only about USA. USA, we got retail sales or core retail sales, as you see it. All of them, they are going to come in the same time. Plus, we got people, they losing the jobs of them or the jobless claim. How it's going to be. By the way, everything is going to come at 1:30 GMT time, as you see it. And today, guys, the news will come today and will move the market that much. Let's see it. The news will come today, guys, is that one, and it moved the market that much, as you see it. Is the interest rate. And people, they been with us, me, I've been telling that to you. I told you the Fed, if it increase interest rate by 0.50. That is going to be something very good, and that's what he did. But what Jerome Powell said in the press conference, he made people to wonder. He told them, also, we are not going to lower interest rate, also we are going to continue what we're doing. So people they still wondering if that pivot from 0.75 to 0.50 is that the Fed is going to pivot, that my next month is going to add interest rate by 0.25, or they are going to continue it for 3 months 0.50. guys, that one is something very bad. And all the people or all the analysis people, they being criticizing him about what he's saying, because he doesn't focus about inflation, he focused about housing permit and housing building, all those things of housing in USA, because that's the problem here. Because if we're talking here about the CPI, it started going down, guys. Also, we are now 7.1. That means CPI is falling down very, very good points. But he said we are not going to stop increasing interest rate, and that's something very bad, guys. So let's hope next month is going to increase by 0.25. So we need to wait in another month, guys, to know if we are pivoting or not, because it might now is going to increase interest rate by 0.50 for some time. I think everything is too clear here. And here our friend on the table also, we saw it every day, guys. What it's telling us, as you see it, all your stocks they close in red, because I told you why, because that Jerome Powell what he's saying, and that's what me I show you in the technical analysis, guys. As you see them. Plus here, our friend is the VIX. As you see it, guys, it dropped a little bit. It's 21.14, but also still high in 20. That means it's still a little bit of scarcity in the market. And that's why, because of that Jerome Powell, what he's saying. And the dollar index, it's still in his place. It doesn't fall down that much, guys. As you see it, it's 103. Plus, I got some news for you guys. And that one is very, very huge news. So let's go into see it. The news is that one, guys. It's Binance. Ask them, did they call it FOD? Or I don't know what is it. A lot of money they went out from Binance, and people they withdrawing the money of them. As you see it here, is about 7 billion now, because that a little bit late. As you see it, look here, the outflow in Binance is at 8 billion.7 and inflow is 5 billion. But Binance, guys, it's still the biggest exchange in the world, and Binance they got about 60 billion of Bitcoin. And if Binance collapse, guys, believe me, that one is the baddest things it can happen to the Bitcoin and crypto in general, because Binance, what can we say, what happened in the Luna and FTX is nothing compared to Binance, guys, because Binance is got $60 billion worth of crypto, and that's something no one can accept it, guys. But if you got your money in Binance, try to put your money in the safe side. Me personally, I trust in Binance because I know CZ is a very nice person and you can trust in him, but there is no trust in this planet, guys. If you got your money in Binance, try to move something and leave something there. So like that, you're going to be in the safe side, because a lot of news it's coming and a lot of people they paying media to say bad things about Binance. So if you are there, try to save yourself. And as you see, guys, here Binance, how much money they holding in the exchange? They're holding 60 billion, guys. They're holding 15 billion BUSD, 12 billion USDT, 9 billion Bitcoin, 6.2 BNB, and 6.1 billion Ethereum. And that's too much, guys. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's going back to the chart to analyze for you to see what is it there. Here we are, guys, in our indicator. That one I told you we need to reach here. Try to protect yourself, because also we buy from here and we buy from down here. So we need to reach here. Try to sell something, guys. We don't know what's going to happen, because now also we are in a downtrend, and that trend every time the market it used to respect it. Maybe from here you're going to see it falling down again. So if it's falling down, you freeze some cash from here and that one here, and you buy if it fall down again, because we don't know what's going to happen. But the good news here, also we are here in the daily, in the place where is the bulls they controlling, but I don't think we're going to stay there for long, because that candle we came today, it's showing the market is going to reverse. As I told you, it's need a confirmation for tomorrow, so let's waiting for tomorrow, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. People they been with us. We enter from here. Over here we protect ourselves. Over here, I told you in the last video, sell something. Before that red candle, that one came. In that green candle here, I told you protect yourself. And now look what happened, guys. Here, we don't know what's going to happen. Me over here, I don't tell you to sell everything. I told you just sell something. And now here, the price action also we got is that one. Actually, that's the only price action, guys, as you see it. So till now, us, we still waiting. And we are in an up channel now. It's need that one to come to break down here for us to enter short. If it doesn't, us, we still very, very far away, guys. And the volume here down, it's showing you a lot of sell off happening there, guys. So now here, there is no price action indicating for us. Also, we need to enter short. All this, if it happened here or sideways or something. And if you remember what me I told you guys, when a rocket going up, you need to wait it to slow down for us to enter short. Yeah, no, there is no price action here. So we need to wait in. The only price action is that one, guys. Look at it. That up channel here. That one is the only price action also we got here. We need to wait in that one to come down and to break down here. If it doesn't, there is no entry short yet, guys. So guys, as I told you, there is no entry short yet. Also, we're still far away now. We need that one to come down. If it came down, we will enter short. If it's not us, we are in profit and we will continue to hold in our profit more, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicators what the same for pictures to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area. It's falling down, but there is no price action indicating for us. Also, we need to enter short, so we need to wait in, guys. Maybe that one is going to fall down to touch that trend line here. Then after that, it's going to go back upward. Also, we don't care about all those things. Also, here we are here at that level where is the bulls they controlling. So also we staying with the bulls. Bears, as you see it, we just came here very little, and also now we are in a bull market here in the 4 hours, guys. So we don't need to enter against the trend. The trend is our friend, as majority of people they say. And also we are now in a bull trend, so we need to go with it till it's going to finish. Then also we're going to check the profit, guys. That's how people they trade. Now it's going to see our other indicator, guys, what it say for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, guys, as you see it, we'll be in here at the overbought area, but that one is just an oscillator, guys. We don't need to follow it 100%. Also, we follow the price action. The only price action we got there is that channel, as I show it to you. So till now, there is nothing new, guys. Also, we're still in an up trend. That's why I told you the bulls trend. And as you see it, guys, also we're still in an uptrend. Yes, also in that level, we are in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Look at it. You are in a very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Last time from here we fall down. Now we test it again here. Now either from here we're going to go higher, or from here we're going to fall down, guys. That's for swing trading. So we need to wait on what the market is going to do, guys. And also we are above the 200 moving average, guys. So there is nothing new here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity for tomorrow, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. 30 minutes, the last video what me I told you here about that level here. We do it like that. I told you got a channel. When it's breaking down, you enter short. And yes, it's breaking, guys. As you see it, it's breaking down. So now you need to be short, guys. Stop loss of you need to put it in the top of that peak here. Take profit of you, it needs to be here at the 200 moving average. Why? I'm going to tell you why, guys. Let's see our indicators what they're saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, also being here at the overbought area. We got a price action on the level. We're in a very, very stronger level. I show it to you in the 4 hours, guys. So when it's breaking here, you need to enter short. Now you need to be short, guys. That is going to enter here to the oversold area for you to take profit. Now you need to be in a little bit of profit. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying. Also we enter short, guys, because of that divergence we got here in 30 minutes. As you see it, we got a very, very, very clear divergence, guys. Look at it. If I do it like that and like that, as you see it, is a very, very, very clear divergence. And also we've been waiting for price action. The only price action we have there is that one, that channel like that. And when it's breaking down, also we enter from here. Now we need to wait until it came down for us to take profit, and we put a stop loss, guys, because scalping and day trading is something too dangerous without stop loss. So you need always to put stop loss, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.